All right. All right, this right here is
Gurney.
a Gurney. Nice.
So if you're an elevator enthusiast, you know about one of these, right?
Yes, I do. Just go all the way up and back down.
You go to the 16th floor.
All the way up, and then you can send me back down.
I hope this made your day, man.
I love the motor on this thing.
It's great.
To reply to your other response, yes, it did make my day. Thank you, and I thank you very beyond much for your help.
Oh, well, my pleasure, man.
Can I just take a full picture of the elevator carriage with the showing the crank, and then I'll be on my way.
Sure can.
This is an old instrument. What years was this thing from?
This elevator is probably over 100 years old.
How many?
Over 100 years old.
Over 100. So
I mean, the inside is fairly new, but everything else outside is.
yeah. I can tell the cabinets were in place. It's only this thing is still original. These are monitor. You can see they added the monitor control panels. So they obviously redid this elevator at a certain point, but left the crank original. Anyways, I'm gonna get a good view of the crank, and that is gonna be it. Thank you so much.
Welcome, man.